Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to refund an AliExpress order. If something goes wrong with your order and you'd like a refund for a missing or a defective product, log into your AliExpress account and go to Disputes and Reports in your account dashboard. You can also navigate to My Orders, choose the order, then View Details and Open Dispute. Click Open Dispute for the order in question and the delivery time has passed or you have confirmed the receipt for the order. Now you'll have two main options, return goods or refund only. Select the reason for your dispute from the drop-down list such as non-receipt of goods or significantly not as described. Fill in the dispute form with details about the problem, then upload photos, videos or other evidence to support your claim. After filling out all the details, just click Submit and AliExpress will review your case and immediate between you and the seller. Just note that you usually have 15 to 60 days from the shipping date to open a dispute, depending on the shipping method. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.